Any abandoned place can be beautiful. Some have history, some have everything left behind and are frozen in time. Some have amazing decay and some have it all. I love to document them all, and this week's Explore has some incredibly beautiful features, especially for an abandoned factory. This factory was owned by a French builder and drawer, Anthony. After he went bankrupt, this place was left behind. They are planning on demolishing it. Keep in mind, this is recorded 2 years before COVID-19, so that's not the reason it abandoned. With this being said, I really hope you guys enjoy. Love you guys. If you like it, you can press the bell notification button. And most importantly, please enjoy, guys. So we are just on time, because this was a huge factory. It's really beautiful still, but parts of it are already demolished. So we really wanted to go here. It's really beautiful weather. It's February, so it's absolutely amazing weather. I upload this much later probably, because of my back, because of it hurts. I have to take it easy and like save videos from the moment, so I pre-record most videos. So we are in a big hallway in this abandoned factory, and it's pretty cool. Kachang is gonna climb here. Kachang is gonna climb here on the... No, he's too scared. It's pretty good. It's a huge factory. So it's never easy for us. Now we have to cross this. I don't like this. Like, I seriously don't like heights, but yeah, I'm gonna go there now.
Do it for the vibe.
Yeah, it's a fun experience. I need to face my face.
Je push-ups doen of niet?
Mr. Muscle Man wants to do push-ups.
Yes.
As you guys can tell, it's full of water. So we found a stairway finally.
Yeah, close.
Going up, really cool. This is a really cool staircase. And he said he found a cross or something.
Yeah, a vault.
Oh, vault. Wait, let me put on night vision because I can't see crap.
Oh.
Alright, that's so pitch
Fucking
black.
awesome.
Oh, that's a big vault. Good thing I have night vision because it's pitch black in there. Oh, another stairway.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's really cool. Imagine if there was a million in there.
Even a small one.
I never take anything, but if there's €1 million in there, I might consider.
Fuck, it's locked.
This one is still locked. It's a beautiful vault. It's kind of hard to see in the darkness, but yeah, that's cool. With the lions on there. And then little vaults, maybe from, it says 1986.
Beds. Beds. In Dutch.
Beds.
Yeah. Like
1986.
gambling.
Wow. Oh yeah, bedding, yeah. It's a cool vault. It was even extra secured by like a prison door almost, with bars.
No, but look how fucking awesome.
Almost like a prison. That's cool, man. This makes this place much more interesting, to be honest.
Yeah, man.
So we're gonna go upstairs now. Really cool that we found a vault. Look at this big closet, so cool. Yeah. Once again, I'm gonna go high. It's always scary because I use morphine and I'm already afraid of heights. Oh wow, it goes really high on a round stairway. Absolutely, really beautiful. I really like this though. It's gorgeous. You don't expect this in an abandoned factory like this. Like a beautiful round stairway going, I don't know how high, like 60 meters high. Wow, that's cool. the stairway. Wow. Just look how deep we already are. This is where we came in. And you can hear the pigeons all around you. It's really beautiful. Yeah, I really like this. I'm gonna take some pictures here as well, so follow me on Instagram. It's really important, guys.
It's wobbling.
Oh, and the stairs wobbling. It's not good. Wow, it's beautiful. I absolutely enjoy this. Yeah, let's see how far I can get on this wobbly stairway. Oh, look who we have there! Kachang! Look at him. Yeah, you can walk all the way this way towards me and then to the left. Or to the right, I guess. Yeah, now you can really see how high this is because you saw him like a little dot and he's not a little man. Yeah, this reminds me of Noisy a lot, the castle. What's up?
It keeps on going and going and going and going.
Does it even go higher?
Huh?
Does it go higher?
No. But that room there,
That's cool.
if you go in there, it's going and going. It's fucking huge.
Wow. This flooring is beautiful as well. Kachang komt wel aan.
Ja, ik zou er nog mee.
Wow, there's so much light in this room because the roof is destroyed, you see? Wow. I absolutely love this. So much decay. So much decay. Oh man, the floor collapsed here. Yeah, I don't like that. The floor completely collapsed there. So I'm not going that much further here. Oh yeah, look at the cracks in the wall over there. This place ain't safe. I don't think they're gonna be able to renovate this part. Yeah, you can even hear the walls creak, but just really quickly look at this beautiful old storage room. Wow, that's unique. So one floor lower there's a lot of empty rooms, but like I said, the hole. I told you the roof was collapsed, right? Yeah, look at that. I was walking right up there. There's black mold as well on my back hurts. I can't stay here too long, but it's much more interesting than I thought actually. Has some really beautiful old features. And now we can walk from this building to the other abandoned building, look. It's really cool. Wow, I like this. Beautiful. So everybody, this is definitely the most beautiful room yet. Beautiful stained glass windows, beautiful staircase, and the ceiling is amazing.
Look at me, I'm fucking funny.
Really like this shot. Really cool. Wow. This is really strange to find in an abandoned factory like this. Oh, it's brilliant. It really is. I'm gonna take a really cool picture over there. The roses, I really dig this style. So in the room next to this there's a big table and a closet, but you can tell this place is definitely trashed. Wow. Still has some really beautiful features like the big windows, I really like that. It's a really cool place. And the stairways are absolutely amazing. And some of the ceilings as well. Like even this little ceiling over here is pretty cool. The peeling paint, and this is what a lamp used to hang in. It's really nice. Very calm with the pigeons on the background. So there's some more posters of this place. Utility boilers. I don't know what this was. I thought it was a paper mache factory, but I might have been wrong. There's some more over here. Wow, this place was huge. Wow. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys know what this used to be. Because this place is listed as paper mache factory, but I don't know what that means. Okay, let's continue. There is another part abandoned, but I don't think I'm gonna go there because my back hurts. I'm going home now. Wow, it's really cool. All the pigeons flying to the other building now. It's a really cool place to be on the roof, I guess. But I'm just not gonna be able to do that now. Oh, what a cool place, guys. Really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. It's kind of different. I can really hear a lot of pigeons in here. I don't know. Yeah, you can really hear them. It's a nice sound. Oh yeah, it's full of pigeons. You see them? They're sitting over there. That's a cool shot. Whoa. There we go. I love pigeons, but they scare me sometimes in abandoned places. It's old school board. Oh, they're all on the roof. That's weird. They live inside the roof, inside the ceiling. Look. They live in there, you see? That's such a cool shot. I don't know why I didn't use this earlier, my zoom option. This is dope. This is dope. So it has one toilet still left. Funny. The rest is all destroyed by vandals, unfortunately. Like they almost destroyed everything possible in this house. In this factory. Look at that. Somebody added a beer over there. Pretty cool. I like toilets though. You guys might not like that, but I think toilets are pretty cool in abandoned places. So guys, now we're going on the beautiful stairway really quickly.
Ooh, that's fucking awesome.
I don't know where this goes, but I'm just gonna take a quick look. It's a really cool stairway.
It just looks amazing.
Yeah. And the roof as well, look at that. Look at the
detail.
Yeah, the details are amazing. It's like Aladdin. Like the lamp. That's cool. I really like this. This place makes it watered. This room makes this place watered to upload because the stairway is absolutely gorgeous. The ceiling there, a lot of lighting there. I guess this maybe was the main entrance to get in for visitors. And there's like flowers inside the stair over there. Wow. So this room is pitch black, but it's pretty cool. Just wanted to show you guys this really quickly. There's a big glass windows here. I don't know what this room was used for, but it's pretty cool.
You've got to take a look.
So we went inside this place and it's actually like a maze. It's so hard to see. It's so dark here. Yeah, that's nice with the flashlight and the night vision. Wow. No clue what to use this room for. It's on the top floor.
But it's so fucking random.
Yeah, it's really random. It's like it's a lot of music notes. No, or something or false.
Yeah, false. But there, here's this room next.
What is this? That's crazy. No clue what they use this for. Let me know in the comments if you know. Why is this on the attic? It's like a bank office or something.
I think they store drawings here.
So now we're taking a closer look here in the drawing room. This is so creepy, it's so pitch black. It's so hard to see. Even with the night vision, it's really creepy to walk in. Yeah, so he was right. It's some kind of building plant or something that they were building in this factory. Like something with water, like boilers. That's weird. Anybody that knows what this is, let me know. We're really curious what they were building in.
Transformation. Tube.
There's other people in this building now. Can you hear them? Oh, where's the people?
Word je er zo aan best of zo?
Is goed volk.
Okay.
Sorry that I scared you.
No problem, no problem.
So I'm on the outside and it says 1860. So this place was built in 1816 or 1860. I'm sorry. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me zoom in somewhere over there. Yeah, that's it. 1860, guys. That's amazing. So guys, that was a really cool place. I really enjoyed it. Really beautiful. Some parts of this factory surprised me. Like the stained glass was absolutely beautiful. I really like this place. But now I'm dead. My back is killing me. I'm already in the car. That's still filming. I'm just gonna lay down now. One location was a lot. So I'm just gonna lay down till that back. Then I'm gonna go home, gonna get some food. Yeah, I love you guys. Follow me on Instagram, it's really important. Send me a message on Instagram and I will reply. Yeah, just do that guys, only takes 1 second. Love you guys, bye bye.